Here we are outside the Waldorf Astoria as Prime Minister Modi gets ready to begin his week-long tour in the United States. But on the fringe, there's been a lot of conversation about Patel politics in the NRI community across America. The fact that a faction of Patels is protesting his visit was going to bring out protests right here outside Waldorf Astoria and on September 25th outside the United Nations. But now we hear from this group of Modi supporters that those protests have been completely called off. Arvind Bhai.
Now that this Patel group now is gonna become as a welcome group. There's no more fighting or anything in between us. Everybody is welcoming Modi ji. They realize it. Modi is the only option, so he's gonna be with the Modi ji.
So what happened in the last few hours? Because the sentiment was completely different 24 hours ago.
They already press release it. They're gonna welcome the Modi ji. So
No protest.
no protest at all.
Everybody is welcoming Prime Minister.
Everybody is welcome.
Everybody is coming welcome for Narendra Bhai Modi.
Yeah, we have trust.
But they were protesting.
As you know, you just saw
reservation.
at the head of that person. I had talked to him. So the Patel group. So they say they are welcoming Modi ji. As you hear it.
So why was this? Was this politically motivated? Is my question, because many were
Somebody
saying.
pushing behind them. So that's their problem. It's not our problem.
But who is that person?
I cannot give the name or anything, but once we know that one day is gonna be open, so the whole file will be open.
So you feel this is politically motivated?
Yeah, it is.
Exactly.
It's a political. Everybody wants to let it down Modi ji, but Modi ji is rising up.
Because many people said that you can agree or disagree with the reservation argument. That is a separate argument. But Patels in America have done very well for
I am a
themselves.
Brahmin. Tomorrow I will ask you, give me all the Brahmins like a reservation. The whole country become on a reservation. When they come to America, there is no reservation for anybody.
Okay. So very important point here being made just as Prime Minister Modi gets ready to begin his tour, that the protests, which are going to be a big talking point and have been a big talking point in the Indian media over the last several weeks, have been called off. They have been completely called off. NDTV has heard from both camps that this is not going to be an issue this time around. In New York, Namrata Brar, NDTV.